Do you want to automate Gmail? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk you through the different steps needed to automate Gmail and how you can use the MailKit Nuget package, which is an external library or external package that you can download and make the entire process very easy. So as you can see here, this is the code that's causing errors, and the reason is MailKit cannot be found. So in order to fix this error, what you need to do is Explorer, and then you can see Solution Explorer, and then this is our solution, and then we've got a project called Simple Email. Right click on our project name, we can add Nuget package. Now we've got the search box if we search for MailKit, and then if we install the latest version of MailKit, so the one we want is the first one, and then the latest version, and now it's going to download MailKit Nuget package, and as you can see, all the errors have disappeared. So this package is now available, and you can see it under dependencies and packages, and you can see MailKit is there. So now MailKit have been installed. What you need to do is add a few pieces of information here. So this would be your Gmail address. This would be who you want to email, so you could just email yourself if you wanted to, and this is the text that your email can contain, the body, the subject line, and then here's the Google SMTP server, and this is the port, and then here is where you put in your Gmail email address and password. So you might be wondering, what password do I input into this? So you don't put your normal password in. Instead, what you do is you go over here onto this page, which is app passwords. So you can go to this URL over here. This URL here, it will take you here where you can then add an app name. So here, this could be anything that you want, and then you can click on create. So in this instance, I've just called it MailKit. And the next step is after you click the button to create, you will get a password. Now notice here, that's the password. So if you copy that, and then this is how to use it. So remember, this is your 16-character password, and it's just like a normal password, but it's for apps. And remember, it will give you full access to your account, but through the app that you're trying to do. So keep this password secret and don't give it to anybody. And then what you can do is you can then add that password over here. So this isn't your normal Gmail password. Instead, it's this app password. And then the third step that you need to do is if you want to get rid of that password, so after you used it or it's been leaked or anything, then you need to go to this web address over here. And then within here, just go to the security tab and then two-factor authentication. So you need to have two-factor authentication on for the app passwords to work. And the next step that you need to do is once you are on this is, so again, this is the URL from the previous location in case you want to type in directly, and then you are on this section, two-step verification, and that's the password. And you can see previously that is one app password which we created previously, and then you end up at this URL again, app password, and you can see we are under app passwords, and MailKit is the one that we created earlier. That's the time we created, and then there's a delete button if you want to get rid of that. So that's how you actually automate Gmail with C# using the MailKit Nuget package, and all you have to do is input your email address, your friend's email address, and here is the Google SMTP server. This is the port, and then this is your account email address and the password or the app that you have generated using app passwords in Gmail. And remember, this is free to use by Google. I think there's a limit of 500 emails to the app password, but other than that, that's all you need to do. And remember to keep your password secure, so you don't want that to leak, because you know, right on GitHub or anywhere else. So I hope this gave you a quick tutorial on Nuget package and why you need them, because they make things easier, and then how to actually use that package with your Gmail account.